Hey, what's up, guys? It's Justin Young here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I want to talk about what it takes to be a software engineer in 2025. So, a lot of you might be aware of the rising use of AI in the software engineering field and how that is impacting the overall job market. Now, to be a software engineer in 2025, you need a lot of various different things that isn't totally related to being a software engineer. Like you need soft skills now, you need to network more, and you need to build more projects. To be a software engineer in 2025, you would need to talk to a lot of people. Use websites like Eventbrite to find networking opportunities within your city, or join an organization in your college or around your community to help you find a job and get hired in 2025. Because getting hired isn't about what you know nowadays, it's about who you know. So go out there and network, use Eventbrite and use LinkedIn to find local networking opportunities around your city. The next thing you should do is, if you really want to break into the job market in 2025, you should build a project, a startup, or any type of company on your own and add it to your LinkedIn account. For example, I added my startup, CollarView, to my LinkedIn account, and the amount of recruiters that tried to recruit me increased exponentially. And now I get, when I had CollarView on my LinkedIn page as the founder of that startup, that only took me 2 weeks to make. The amount of recruiters that DM'd me or was trying to give me a job was way more than before I had the startup company I founded on my website. So you should build something by yourself and market it as a company, not as a side project, but as a company. I'll say the third most important thing to be a software engineer is to spam a lot of job applications. Instead of 100, you should be shooting for 1,000 job applications each and every single month, really. And you can automate this with AI, or you can hire somebody to do this for you. It might seem rudimental, but it's the best way for you to find a job opportunity in 2025, to find a job as a software engineer in 2025. The other case that you can do is you can find someone who already has a job, make him your acquaintance, and then most jobs have a referral bonus within their company. So if you can get him to give you a referral, he will, and more than likely you will get a job, because a referral can push you up the higher ranks in terms of finding a job. Now, for me as a T3 software engineer, it's pretty easy for me to find a different job uh, because of my experience. And the thing is, once you're in the door and you build up your experience more than 2 or 3 years, then you are much more likely to find a job as a software engineer than a junior or a new grad. And if you are in college, you should make it your life, make it your passion to find an intern. Find an internship and stick to that internship as long as you can. Honestly, if you are not taking advantage of your internship and you are not trying to network while you have an internship, you are putting yourself in a bad foot. The job market right now is like pretty turbulent due to AI. AI is automating a lot of jobs, but this doesn't mean that it's impossible to find a job as a software engineer. It's more difficult than ever before, but it's not impossible. You really have to put in the work. It's not like how it was in 2019, 2018, where all you had to do was do some leak code questions, then eventually you will get a job. You will get a job. It's not like that anymore. You really have to put yourself out there and apply to as many jobs as you possibly can, network, go to as many events as you can go to, and find people that works at the company that you want to work at, and try to get your foot in the door through them with a referral. So I think these are some ways that I would break into the job market if I was applying in this job market in 2025. And this do still work to a degree. I've seen it work for some junior software engineers in the Oklahoma area. So I think this is a good piece of advice for y'all. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And I will continue to give you more advice like this. Thank you.